Understanding tire jack in English. Welcome to our English language learning video. In this video, we'll explore the meaning of the phrase tire jack and its common usage. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your vocabulary, we've got you covered. A tire jack is a handy tool used in the world of automobiles. It's designed to lift a vehicle off the ground, making it easier to change a flat tire or perform maintenance underneath the car. This tool is crucial for any driver as it helps in emergency situations on the road. There are several types of tire jacks, and each serves a specific purpose. Scissor jack, a compact and common type of jack, often included with the car's spare tire. It works by turning a screw mechanism to lift the vehicle. Hydraulic jack, more robust and efficient. Hydraulic jacks use hydraulic fluid to raise the car. They're commonly found in professional garages. Bottle jack, compact and portable. This type of jack resembles a bottle. It uses hydraulic pressure to lift vehicles and is often used for heavier loads. Using a tire jack correctly is crucial for your safety and the efficiency of the job. Here's a simple guide. 1. Locate the jack points. Most cars have designated jack points to ensure stability while lifting the vehicle. 2. Secure the vehicle. Make sure the car is in park, with the emergency brake engaged. 3. Position the jack. Place the jack at the designated jack points and ensure it's steady on the ground. 4. Lift the vehicle. Depending on the type of jack, either turn the screw, pump the hydraulic handle, or use the bottle jack's lever to raise the car. 5. Change the tire or perform maintenance. Once the vehicle is safely lifted, you can proceed with your tire change or maintenance tasks. Now you know what a tire jack is, its types, and how to use it. It's a vital tool for any driver, especially during unexpected flat tire situations. We hope this video has been helpful in expanding your English vocabulary and knowledge of automotive tools. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe for more English language learning content. Thank you for watching.